What are the doubts you have? You can just drop a message in the chat box. Okay. So I'm going to start the session, my dear friends. See, our next topic is square roots and cube roots. Okay. Square root and cube root. How to find square root and cube root. See, first of all, if you want to find the square root and cube root, you must and should know squares from 1 to 30, cubes from 1 to 20, and squares from 1 to 30 you should know. Then only it's easy for you to handle square root and cube root. Make sure you know the squares from 1 to 30 and cubes from 1 to 20, my dear friends. Then it's easy to handle square root and cube root actually. Okay. Now, believing that, okay, people already know squares from 1 to 30, and I'll give in the next session, okay, if possible, we'll try to discuss how to uh, find the squares value in a shortcut way. We'll discuss that point as well. Okay, cubes and squares 1 to 20, 1 to 30. Hope you know, believing that way. Now, first we'll discuss regarding cube root. Cube root is very easy to handle. Cube root, if you want to find cube root, it's very easy. See, suppose you want to do cube root of some value. Cube root of, if you want to calculate, uh, okay, suppose you are trying to find cube root for a big number. See, so we'll discuss regarding 6-digit and 7-digit numbers like that. So 1 lakh or 14 lakhs 42,897. You want to calculate cube root for 14 lakhs 42,897. You want to calculate this, right? Not audible. Is it so? Lakshmi, I'm going to check from your end. So, guys, am I audible? Remaining, can you drop the message? Am I audible or not? We have a chat box option. You can drop a message there. Is it audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Thank you. Now, see, you want to calculate cube root for this big number. Now, how to handle this is, see, my dear friends, very simple thing. First, 1 cube is nothing but 1. 2 cube is 8. 3 cube 27. Okay. 4 cube 64. Make sure you people are in mute mode once you join, and make sure your username like roll number. 6 cube is 216. 7 cube is 343. 8 cube is 512. 9 cube is 729. Okay, so you just show that. Okay, 8 cube, 9 cube, 729, 10 cube likewise we have to go ahead. Yeah, 9 cube is nothing but 729. 10 cube is 1000. So ending with 0. Right now, see, one simple point here you should understand is we got 7 as the units place only for 3 cube, right? Observe here. We got 3 cube ending with 7. Now, as this cube root, I can eliminate all these 3 numbers. See, as I'm doing cube root, I can eliminate all those 3 numbers. I can fix 3. This answer must and should end with 3. Cube root of that, okay, 14 lakhs 42,897 must and should end with 3 because 3 cube is 27. Okay, so ending with 7 is possible only for 3 cube. So it should end with 3. Next, what you should do, 1442 is between which cubes? 11, 11 cube is 1331. 12 cube is 1728. This value, okay, 14,442 is between 11 cube and 12 cube. Smaller one is 11. It should be 113. My dear friends, the answer is 113 here. See the answer is 113. I repeat what you are doing.
Yes, sir.
897. Okay, that I removed, I put it as 3. How I know that is, yes, okay, cube ending with 7. For which one cube ending with 7 is 3 cube is ending with 7. 3 cube is only ending with 7. So here 7 is there inside, means inside the cube root. I should put 3. As this cube root, we can eliminate 3 numbers. If it is square root, you should eliminate 2 numbers. Square root means eliminate 2 numbers. Cube root means eliminate three numbers. Fine, 3 I put. Okay, because of this. Next, 1442. It is between 11 cube and 12 cube. Smaller one is 11, so we should take 11 here. Because of this, we are taking 11. So that cube root of 14,42,897 is nothing but equal to 113. Cube root of 14,42,897 is nothing but equal to 113, my dear friends. Simple. 113. Clear? Now see one more question. This is the first question. We have applications going forward related to this cube root and square root. Okay. We'll see the. Now second question related to cube root. Then we'll go for square root, my dear friends. Now I want to calculate cube root for 9,41,192. So guys, you want to calculate cube root for 9,41,192. Okay, now first go for which cube is ending with 2. Which cube is ending with 2 is 8 cube is ending with 2. So must.
8 cube.
Yeah, my dear friend.
Cube, sir.
I'm not reading, one second. Yeah,
8 cube, sir.
8 cube is ending with 2. So we should take 8 there because ending with 2. Here 3 cube 27. So here 8 cube. Okay, so I can remove last 3 digits as this cube root. I can remove last 3 digits. I can put 8. Because of 2, I decided 8 here, not because of 192. Because of 2, we decided 8 there. Next, 941 is between 9 cube and 10 cube. 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000. This 941 is between these two. You should take 9, don't take 10. Lesser than that. Okay. This 2, which is lesser one, we should take. So 98. So cube root of 9,41,192 is nothing but equal to 98, my dear friends. Cube root for, okay, 9,41,198 is nothing but 98. This is how you should perform cube root. One more example, then square root will take a bit more time compared to cube root. In cube root, at a time we can eliminate 3 digits. When you perform cube root, at a time we are eliminating 3 digits actually. Now see the second one, my dear friends. Cube root, second one. One more, 3 examples we are going to discuss. Now I want to find cube root for 6,30,341. If you want to find cube root for 6,30,341, then what you should do? First, 341 is there, ending with 1. Ending with 1. 1 minute. It's not ending with 1, sorry. Yeah, it's like 4,93,039. 4,93,039. Yeah. Now this is ending with 9. Which cube is ending with 9? Which one cube is ending with 9? If you recall, 9 cube is 729. As we have 9 here, I can put 9 at the end. 3 digits can be removed. As you already decided 9 there, now you can remove this. 3 digits can be removed. Now you should worry about 493. 493 is between which cube we have to be. We have to understand that 493 is 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512. So I should take 7, 79. So guys, see this. This is how you should handle cube. Cubes are very easy. See this. But keeping in mind, you people already know cubes from 1 to 20. Not only up to 10, 11 cube 1331, 12 cube 1728. Okay, 13 cube 2197, like that. Believing that you people know already cubes from 1 to 20, then it's easy to handle here. Now I'm just locking the session, so from here onwards no one can join the session. So make sure those who are in the session right now, okay, many people are not yet maintained the roll number. Pavani, Pavan, Edukondalu, Shivani, try to make sure, okay, you have a roll number. Maintain the roll number. Okay, remove the name. Okay, instead of your username, roll number and name both. Okay, fine. At least change it as. I'll see. Still, some people are waiting now as I log the session. Fine, I'm just unlocking them to join. So, guys, kindly make sure. Okay, we are locking the session. It's a bit difficult for you to unlock them. So I just logged in. Okay, session is locked. Cube root. Next is square root we have to go. So I hope you understand the basic input regarding cube root. Now let's go ahead with the square root, my dear friends. This session is for CSE ABC, if I'm not wrong. I think some other students also joined, it seems. This session is exclusively for CSE ABC section students. Now let's go ahead with the square root. Before going for the square root, my dear friends, first, okay, you see there is a problem. The square root is 1 square 1, 2 square 4, okay, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square is 100. Okay, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, and 10 square. Right now, here what is the problem is 2 square is also ending with 4, 8 square also ending with 4. See, there are two numbers, 2 square ending with 4, 8 square also ending with 4. 3 square ending with 9, 7 square ending with 9. 4 square ending with 16, 6 square ending with 6. 4 square ending with 6, 6 square also ending with 6. One point to keep in mind, okay, perfect square never ends with perfect square never ends perfect square never ends with 2. See, we don't get the 2. We're not getting 3. We're not getting 7. We're not getting 8. If you do perfect square for something, we're not getting 2, 3, 7, 8 like that. See, some people again leaving the session and again trying to join. So I just open the log for that purpose. But see, it's not okay, dear. So try to make sure you people in the session for the entire time. Make sure you have a proper internet. Purchase the SIM or mobile network which is having good internet. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7, 8. If there is any number square is there, it will never end with 2, 3, 7, 8. In CTS company, they ask the question related to this also. Okay, now we'll go for the square root. Here problem you understand, there are two numbers ending with 1, two numbers, two squares ending with 4, two squares ending with 7, two squares ending with 6. Kindly note that point. Now we'll go for square root of 11025. Okay, 11,025. You have to find square root for this 11,025 square root we have to calculate. Now listen, here as it is ending with 5, 25 is the last two digits, ending with 5. Square root of which one ending with 5 is square of 5 only. 5 square only ending with 5, not other numbers ending with 5. So I can remove these two numbers. I can put 5 here. Square root of something is ending with 25 here, square root of something. Now here, square root means 2 digits we can remove. Cube root means 3 digits removed. You just recall, while doing cube root, if you fix one place, we are removing 3 digits. Here, square root will remove only 2 digits. Now root 110. Root 110. Now 110 is between which square? 10 square and 11 square. Always go with the smaller one here. 10, so it's 105. Square root, first example, okay, square root of 11,025 is nothing but 105. Square root of 11,025 is nothing but 105, my dear friends. Clear? Now See the next example. Hope you understand this basic. See the next example, my dear friends. Yeah, please try to change your names as roll number Shivakumar, somebody with the name user Pavanteja, Manishankar. Kindly change your names as roll number, include the roll number. Ganesh also. Now, I had to find square root of 32,041. Here we have a very good update, my dear friends. Square root of 32,041. We have to calculate square root of 32,041. Now listen, ending with 1. 1 square also end with 1. 9 square also ending with 1. There are two numbers ending with 1. 1 square ending with 1, 9 square also ending with 1. Now here, I can remove these two. I can decide this answer may end with 1 or this may end with 9. Now you are in dilemma, it may end with 1 or it may end with 9. Okay, how to decide is 320 is 17 square and 18 square in between. 17 square 289, 18 square 324. So again, always we should use the lower value when it is this number is between two squares, means 17 square and 18 square means lower is 17. The answer may be 171 or the answer may be 179. But how to decide is it 171 or 179? Now, first of all, understand why we written 171, 179. 1 and 9 using this units place. 17 here because 320 Sai, you are removing from the session. Session is locked. Okay, 17 square 289, 18 square 324. So 171 or it may be 179. 171 or 179. How to decide is listen. This 320 is close to which one? Is it close to 289 or is it close to 324? 320 is close to 324 means we should go with the highest one. Answer is 179. 320 is close to 324 compared to 289. Okay, here we have only Lohita. Make sure you are on the mute mode, otherwise you will be removed from the session. Make sure you are on the mute mode. 521, again I am reminding you. Okay, 179. Right. So here, while doing square root, we have two answers. You should decide one among that. 179. Okay, we have one more example. There maybe you get some more inputs. You will take one more example, then we'll go for the questions, my dear friends. Let me add one extra slide here. Fine. See the next one. Next question, my dear friends. Sai is trying to join the session. So once you people are doing some missive things, okay, we don't allow you to join the session again. So kindly note down everyone that point. Okay. Now here, I have to do square root for 16,384. I have to do square root for 16,384. So here, if you just observe square root of 16,384, so which is ending with 4, 2 square ending with 4, 8 square also ending with 4. Now what you can do is I can remove that last 2. I can remove that last 2. I can say this answer may end with 2 or this answer may end with 4. as it is, or end with 8. It may end with the 2 or it may end with 8. Okay, 2 digits can be removed. Right. Now 163, square root of 163. Yeah, 163 is close to 12 square and okay, 12 square, 13 square. We have 144 and 169. Okay, 163. Now, first of all, we should put the lower value. It may be 122 or 128. Okay, 160. Then among 122 and 128, how to decide is yes, this is very closer. Here we have only 6 difference. Here we have more than 19 difference. So it's close to higher value. So we should go with 128. Close to lower value means we should go with 122. So it is close to again higher value 169. So we should go with 128. I'll give one example with close to lower value. These two examples, second and third one, is both close to higher value, right? So we'll see one example related to close to lower value also, so that you may have that idea how to handle the question. Now, square root of 23,409. We'll see one example. Square root of 23,409. Then we'll see the questions, my dear friends. What is the possible questions in this? Square root of 23,409. Okay, now as we have ending with 9, ending with 9, 0, 9 is there. So we know 3 square also end with 9, 7 square also end with 9. So this may be ending with 3 or ending with 9, both possible. Okay, now 234 is 15 square 225, 16 square 256. We should take the lower one first of all. So it's 153 or 159.
7, sir.
157, thank you. Yeah, 153 or 157, ending with 7, agreed. Okay. It may be 153 or 157. Now, which to decide? Here is yes. This 225 is close to 234 is close to 225, only 9 difference. Here we have 22 difference. So 234 is close to 15 square. So we should go with the lower value now, 153. If it is close to 256, we should go with 157. Okay, this is how things will work on. Somebody waiting in the lobby, so I just unlock them to join. So we'll see if some misbehave is there. Okay, those students are going to remove from the session, and we are not joining, allowing them to join again. So 153, right? See, this is how you should handle square root and cube root. 5G to Harish, please make sure you are on mode. Now we'll go for the questions, my dear friends. So square root around 3-4 examples we discussed, and cube root also. Now we'll see the questions, how to handle this. See the question 1 here. You have to find units place. Aditya, can you unmute what you are asking? If it is close to lower end, రెండిటికి close ఎలా అవుతుంది?
Sir, you said that.
Yes.
Sir, you said that the value is closer to the lower one, then we have to write lower.
Yeah.
Then if the value is close to same, both same value will
It's
get
never
for
happened actually.
lower and higher. Then
It's never happened. If it is both equal,
okay.
is never happening. You just try any question for square root. These two equal, we don't get. That may be obtained for ending with 5. Ending with 5, there is no dilemma, right? Ending with 5, directly we can decide. That may happen
Okay,
only
sir.
with ending with 5. Ending with 5 means, okay, here 3 and 7, both we don't get. We got only 1. You just try any question. We don't have that situation now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Aditya. So let's see about this one, my dear friends. We have to find square root of 15,876. Now they're asking units place. Units place. So which is ending with 6 is 4 square also ending with 6. 6 square also ending with 6. So this answer have two options. It may end with 4 or it may end with 6. A and D eliminated, but it may be ending with 4 or ending with 6. Two possibilities are there. Right. Now, these two digits eliminated. 158 is between which squares? 12 square and 13 square. Okay. 144 and 169. So first we should write 12 here. Now you have to decide whether it is 124 or 126. 124 or 126 we should decide. So how to decide? 158 is closer to which one? Here 14 difference, here 11 difference. Close to 169, right? So we should go with the higher value. 126 is the square root for this, which is there in the units place is 6. So guys, kindly check. Yes, answer is 6. Superb. Naga Venkata Pranit, 593. You can use the chart box to respond with your answers. Yes, ending with 6 units place is 6 here. The digits in the units place in the square root. When you do square root, okay, the answer is ending with which number is the question actually. Right, so this is the first question in the discussion. So till now we discussed some examples how to perform square root or cube root, but how they'll ask in the exam, the question format will be like this. 126, my dear friends. Now see the second question. This is very easy. Second question. Hope you are noting down what the points we are discussing. We are giving time for you. You just note down the things. So you have to maintain the notes when offline is resumed. So we'll check your notes. Don't take it in wrong way. It's all to benefit you people. Right now, you people will be in a very good situation to understand. But as days are going on, you may not be in a situation to understand these techniques going forward. Right. So 113 and cube root. At least you note down the question. Immediately one session is completed. Okay. Try to write the solution your own also immediately. Cube root for 4,93,039. Cube root for 9,41,192. How to handle? These are all related to cube root. Right? Square root then. Okay, square root we have an issue. It may have two different answers possibly. We should eliminate one among that and we should go for the other one. So how to eliminate one option among those two is this is how we should do. Clear? Excellent, my dear friends. To the next question. A tourist spends daily as many rupees as the number of days of his total tour. If his total expenses are 361, then how many days did the tour last? He is spending X rupees per day, for example, and his tour is X days. You have to find X value. That's the question actually. How many days is his tour? He is spending X rupees per day. Okay, and he is went for the tour for X days. What is the total expenses is X days. Each day X rupees means X square is 361. You have to find square root of 361. Here also you can apply the trick. 3-digit number also you can apply the trick. Ending with 1 means it may be 1 or 9. Like that also you can decide. 19, right? So you know, okay, 19 square is 361, but still you can also apply trick here. Ending with 1 means it may be 1 or 9. You can eliminate 61. 3 is between which squares between 1 square, 2 square like that. So we can go in that fashion also. Easy question, I think. No need of that. Yeah, you can take the screenshot and you can note down the question later and you can work on it. How many days did the tour last is nothing but 19. Next question, very much in similar lines. Number of rows, let it be X rows. and X oranges per row. Each row X oranges and number of rows is X. Total orange trees. Yeah, this is orange trees. Okay, oranges are orange trees per row. X rows is there. Total orange trees is this. So you simple, Aditya, very good. You should calculate what is X value. Square root of this. Vamsi Krishna, excellent. And especially I want to thank few of your friends, those helped me, okay, to prepare the presentation for your final year Infosys training. Okay, fourth year students, we did Infosys training, and some of your batchmates or your friends helped me to prepare the PPT. I shared them screenshots. Okay, they worked on day and night and they shared the PPT. So I want to thank everyone, those who from your sections only, CSE, A, B, C, and C only. Okay, I want to thank those people who helped me to prepare those PPTs. Okay, we planned the training within no time, so some of your friends helped us. That's what I can always say, leadership qualities. Now here ending with 4 means, yes, 2 square end with 4, 8 square is ending with 4. So the answer must end with 2 or end with 8. Very simple. Yeah, ending with 2, only one option is that 8 is not there. So don't waste your time. So how you decided 72? Yes, because you can see ending with 2 or ending with 8 only. Ending with 8 not there in the options. I can go with option B, right? Ending with 2. Clear? Now see the next question. I think in the similar fashion, you people can work on this example. Okay, it's not a worry, I think. 37 is the answer. This you can take the screenshot and you can practice later. This fourth question, you can take the screenshot and you can practice later. Yeah, see the next question, my dear friends. 1369. What's the number of students in the last row? Each row, same number of students, equal number of rows and columns. So each row number of students is same. So last row or first row, 37 students only there. And this one also, I think, no need to work on this much. But here, one small update you have contributed twice as many. Just try to solve this question. I'll wait for your answers in the chat box. Those who are done with the answer, please mention in the chat box. I highlighted the
Murthy,
point. Yeah. What's the answer? I highlighted one point there. Okay. Twice as many rupees as the total number of. Twice as many. Okay. Now here, if you just proceed, my dear friends.
Sir, it's 39.
39. Super. 39 is correct. Here twice. Yeah. 505, your answer is also correct. X. Okay. Members. And they're paying twice as how many people are there? Is nothing but 3042. X square is 1521. Ending with 1 means it should end with 9 or 1. Okay, X value if you want to calculate, it must and should end with 1 or it should end with 9. So we don't have option ending with 1. We have only option ending with 9. We can go with that. See, like this also sometimes you can decide without doing entire 39 or 31 when you have options. This is the fill the blank question in how you should do that. See, right now you're in the first year. When you come to final year, there are many changes going to happen in your recruitment. Maybe, okay, they may go for all fill the blank questions. Possibility is there. Already Infosys is conducting all questions in fill the blank mode only. So, yeah, there is a scope. So you should be ready for all that. And this question also small addition is there. You just see somebody joined with the name Honey. So make sure, okay, people try to change your role names as roll number. Sunny, Honey, something like that. So kindly try to rename yourself with your roll number. After 5 minutes, if that is not happen, we are going to remove you from the session, and anyhow already I logged the meeting. Here onwards, I don't entertain the people to join. So see this question, my dear friends. Next one. Read the question carefully. Small change. It's related to square root only, okay? But see the scenario.
The answer is 105.
Superb, madam. 105, yes. See, there are total some trees are there. Okay, among 1914. Okay, total trees is there 111 trees are uprooted from that. Okay, and still they left with 1940. Means total trees are 11,025. Okay, now x rows, and each row x. So x square is nothing but 11,025. So how many number of trees in each row is nothing but square root of this. This already we discussed, okay, during your initial introduction. Excellent. 105 is correct. Aditya, Alekya, good. Now, this type of questions is actually be a part of simplification. Simplification. A part of simplification also, they can ask you this type of questions.
Sir, answer is 16.
16. Very good. Remaining series. Yeah, here, if you just proceed, my dear friends, is first you check here, square root of 144 is nothing but, okay, it's 12. So that you can add. We got it 8 then. Okay, so it's like 256 is nothing but 16. This is all related to simplification. They'll ask square root related questions in simplification also. This is small square roots. Yeah, anyhow, you are already familiar with that. Okay. See the next one, simplification. Next question, my dear friends. This one, now no need to split it and you should do it in your mind. Sir, here 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, sir. Right? We can try in that fashion. Here we got, yeah, 6. Here it become 5. After that, doing it, this all, this will become 4. And finally, the answer is 3. Yes, Praveen, very good. So this type of simplifications, we should think in your mind, okay, every step, and we can attack directly. Okay, root 49. Then, okay, that we have to solve 7 plus 20. See this question, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And then you are getting 3. Initially 7, root 49 is 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3. Right. See the next question. Here, one small thing you should be careful. After this dot, if you have 6 digits, when you apply square root, after dot, you have 3 digits. This is one trick which will help you, okay, to solve the questions without knowing that square root value also. After the decimal, okay, if you have 6 digits, okay, after doing square root, after the dot, we'll get only 3 digits. So it's option C. Or else, sir, how you got? I can put it that question as 441 into 10 power minus 6. Square root of 441 is 21. Square root of 10 power minus 6 is 10 power minus 3, which is 0.021. Okay, square root of 441 is 21. Okay, square root of 10 power minus 6 is 10 power minus 3. We got 0.021, my dear friends. Clear? Yeah. Now, using this input, let's see the next question. Square root. This type of simplifications they are focusing. Yeah, this is actually other question. This is not. This question is bit different. It's 0.00000 actually. Yeah, there is a typo error in the question here. Don't worry. Now here this is 0.060516. 0.060516. So again, if you just think about this one simple point is after dot you have 6 digits. When you do square root, after the 0 dot, you have 3 digits only. It's there only in option C. So I'm not finding square root of 6516 also. You can also try how to do square root of 6516 is 16 means it may end with 4 or it may end with 6. Two possibilities. End with 4 or end with 6. Okay. Then 605 is 25 square is 625. 24 square is 576. 605 is between, okay, 24 square and 25 square. We should go with the lower one, 244 and now 246. One among this we should decide, 244 or 246. Now here, worry is, yeah, 605 is close to which one? 605 is 20 gap here, whereas this is 29 gap. So 605 is close to 625. Right, 605 is close to 625. So I can say this is the closer one. So second one, 246. So square root of 60516 is 246. As it is 10 power minus 6 internally, like previous question, we can handle it. Okay. Now see the next one, my dear friends. 3/5 of square of a certain number. See this. Many things involved here. 3/5 of square of certain number is 126.15. Find the number. I want x. Solve this one, my dear friends. I'll wait for your answers. 3 by 5 x square is 126.15. Okay, calculate x value.
Sir, it's 14.5.
14.5. Soumya, good. Aditya, good. 14.5. Guys, if you just see here, x square is nothing but, okay, here we can divide with 3 also. This is 342.05 times. If you multiply with 5, it will become 210.25 if I'm not wrong. Now you should do x value, which is square root. Yeah, I'm not. Vikram, please change your settings. I think. Hope I'm audible to everyone. One of your friend claiming he is not audible. My voice is not audible. I'm just replying to him. Yeah. So if you just calculate x is nothing but 14.5. Super, my dear friends. Now see the next question. Till now we didn't discuss regarding cube root related questions. It's all about square root till then. See this one. 14.4, 0.289. So after that, if there is only one, how to do? See, wantedly this question will be given in that format to confuse you. If you just properly check this one, okay, 48.4 divided by 0.289, right? I can put this as 484 divided by 2.89. I can multiply numerator and denominator with the 10. It is 484, denominator is 2.89. I can multiply numerator and denominator both with 10. Square root of 484 is 22. 2.89 is 1.7 will come. This can also be written as 220 by 17. Aditya, it's not 15 by 17, wrong. It's 22 by 1.7, Aditya. It's not 22 by 17. So,
Okay, sir.
yeah, if you just work on this, 17 12 times is 204. We have a remainder 16. So we got it like 1216 by 7. Guys, here is one. Yeah, if it is for 48.4, you cannot. 0.289 is not perfect square. So what do you have to do? Do that modification. Okay. Or else you can put it like 484 into 10 power minus 1. 289 into 10 power minus 2 minus 3 in denominator. Yeah, this you can put it separately. This is also fine. 22 by 17. This 10 power minus 2 will come out as 10 power minus 1. This one cancel, right? Okay, 10 power minus 2 will be there. Square root of that is 10 power minus 1. Like this also you can do. Same answer will come. 220 by 70. Clear? Now see the next question. Hope you understand this one, my dear friends. See the next one. Solve this question waiting for your answers. Which option is suitable? Solve this question. Which option is suitable? Waiting for your answers. Yeah, option B. Excellent, my dear friends. See, I can put this as square root of 1225 divided by 5329. Square root of 1225 is 35. 5329 is 73 actually. It's no, we have a doubt. One minute. Is it 73 or 77? We should decide. 75 square. 70 square is 4000. 75 square is 56. So it's definitely 73 only. Yeah, option B. We should find square root of 5329, square root of 1225. Both. Okay, then you got 35 by 73. Clear? Yeah, excellent, Soumya. Vamshi, Praveen, Sairam, and many more. Yeah, 593, good. Now see this question, my dear friends. See this question, what they given. Cube roots we'll discuss next. But see this one. Yeah, what's the answer, my dear friends? Square root of 0.342 into 0.684. 0.000342, 0.000171. Here, 342 into 10 power minus 3 is 684 into 10 power minus 3. Denominator 342 into 10 power minus 6. 342 into 10 power minus 6. 171 into 10 power minus 6. Yeah, 547 done with the question remaining. 342 cancel. 171 4 times. This 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3 become 10 power minus 6. What you will get altogether? Square root of 4 into 10 power minus 6. 10 power plus 6, right? This is denominator is minus 6, you will get plus 6 there. Okay, this is 2 into 10 cube, which is nothing but 2000. Option C, my dear friends, 2000. Clear? Right. So I'm just checking your timetable for the timings. Yeah. So still we have half an hour more as per your timetable, right? So fine, my dear friends. So let's go for the next one. So this next question, hope you understand this. Around 20 questions related to square root only. Now note down this question, try this one. I'll wait for your answers. 1 or 2 square value they given already. You have to find, okay, with small changes, they given a decimal in between. I've given you one trick. If you apply the tricks, it's very easy for you to handle. Solve that question, my dear friends. We discussed 7 examples initially for the introduction for square root and cube root. Now we are done with more than 10 questions till now. Few questions given for your practice as well.
11.322.
11.322. Okay. Remaining check ones. Option D, Vikram is giving. 14 questions completed so far. This is the 15th question actually. Yeah. Here, as we have one decimal inside the square root, when it come out, okay, we have 2 decimals inside, so we should come with 1 out. 10.2. If it is 4 means it should be 2 inside. And for this one is it is 6, we'll get 0.102. It's like 10.2 plus option B. Shivani, no option. It's not option B, right? Okay, it's 11 point something. Says 11.322 will come. Shivani, check once. Yes, Soumya, very good. They given 1 or 2 square. Even though if they don't mention 1 or 2 square, if you do also, we'll get right. 10.2, 1.02. This is 0.102 like that. If you add all, we got 11.322. Clear. Now see the next question, 16th one. In a similar fashion. This example, in a similar way, you have one more question here. Try this one. 1.105 whole square is given already. Okay, now you have to calculate this. One square root cube root completed. In next session, I'll give you the tricks how to find 2-digit number and 3-digit number squares.
మొత్తం యువర్ నేమ్ అంటే 21 అని పెట్టేసి చాలా రోల్ నెంబర్ పెడితే చాలా.
Somebody unmuted, please. Put entire roll number in the username. If you just go ahead with this question, okay, here 1.03, right? So if you just work on this, this is 1.015. Actually, here what you have to think, 1015 square is 1030225. That's what you can understand from the question. Okay. Inside the square root, when you have 6, okay, after doing square root, we need 3 digits after that dot. Okay, inside if it is 2, after removing we have 1. It should be like 101.5. Okay. Adding these two, hope you got option C, sir. Yes, option C, 102.515. You just add those two, my dear friends. We got 102.515. 16 questions related to square root. Okay, see the next one. See the next question, my dear friends. Hope you understand the 16th one. 17th one, please. 17th question. Try the 17th question. Everyone try the 17th question. Yeah. Here, root 13. This is where you can learn some new inputs for sure. Root 1.3. So 13 is there, 130 is there. 1.3, what I have to do? Okay, root 1300 is 36. Root 13 is 3.6 means root 1300 will be 36. That's not an issue. Okay. Problem is with 0.013 and 1.3. So how to handle root 1.3? I can put this as 130 into 10 power minus 2. Listen, I can put this as 130 into 10 power minus 2. Root 130 is 11.4. 10 power minus 2 means 10 power minus 1. It is 1.14. 1.14. So then what about root 0.013? Root 0.013, you cannot write 13 into 10 power minus 3. If you write 10 power minus 3, again problem for us. You can put it like 130 into 10 power minus 4. 130 into 10 power minus 4. For 130, it's 11.4. 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 2 will come. It's 0.114. Okay, so you can use all this now. 1.3, 1300, add all this. Root square root of 1300 is 36. Square root of 1.3 is 1.14. Square root of 0.013 is 0.114. Add all this, my dear friends, that will give the answer. Okay, 36, 1.14 will already cross 37.14 and it's 37.254. Yes, excellent. We can just add 0.114. It's 37.25. Clear? Superb, my dear friends. See the next question. Yeah, this is related to cubes. Sum of the cubes of the numbers is equal to what? 22 cube minus 15 cube and minus 7 cube. Value is what is the question actually. Cubes, not cube root. It's a basic cubes. So if you know 11 cube, you can go ahead with 22 cube. Yeah. 22 cube can be written as 4 into 11 cube. 8 into 11 cube, right? 11 cube is 1331. Sir, you said to remember only from 1 to 20 cubes. Yeah, using 1 to 20, you can find 22 cube. That's not a worry actually. Minus 15 cube. Minus 15 cube is 3575, right? Minus 7 cube is 343. 22 cube. If you do all this, we got 6,930. Try without using calculator. Okay, possibly try without using calculator. That will help you to learn things. It may take more time, I agree, I'm not denying that, but you have a scope to learn, my dear friends. Okay, don't miss learning the things. So, yeah, 15 cube is 3375, right? 3375, 3370. See, my simple logic is 10,000 something minus 3,000 means you should come into 6,000 or 7,000 like that. Only one option. I'm not keeping in mind all this calculation. 10,000 something minus 3,000, 10,600. This is 300 and also 600. 10,600 minus 3,600 means it should be around 7,000. We have only one option in the range of 7,000. Right. We can go directly there. Now see the next question. 19th one. Cube root of 4, 12 by 125, mixed fraction. Solve this one, cube root of 4, 12 by 125.
Sir, 1.6.
1.6, yes. See, if you just convert this mixed fraction, 4 into 125 is 500. 500 plus 12 is 512. Divide by 125. Cube root of 512 is 8. Cube root of 125 is 5, which is 1.6. Yes, I like a good 1.6. 1C 1.6. Option B is correct, my dear friends. Excellent. Larry, yes, very good. 1.6. Now, see this next question, 20th one. Cube root of 1 minus 127 by 343. Cube root of 1 minus 127 by 343. Try this question, my dear friends. Cube root of 1 minus 127 by 343. Waiting for your answers. Yeah, Shivani, very good. Yeah, few more people given their answers. Excellent. Now, when you perform this, you got, when you do cube root of 343 minus 127, it is 216 by 343, which is 6 by 7, but they mention in terms of 1 minus format only. 1 minus 1 by 7. Option B. 1 minus 1 by 7, my dear friends. Cube root of 1 minus 127 by 343. We can put it like, yes, 343 minus 127. Okay, divide by 343. It's like 6 by 7 or 1 minus 1 by 7. We can put. Clear? Excellent. Now see the next question. I think now one point you keep in mind, when you do cube root, after dot, when you have 6 digits as it is cube root, when you come out of
Option
this,
D, sir.
yeah, no, not option D, it's only 2 digits now. In cube root, it will be divide by 3. In square root, if you have 6 digits, after performing square root for that, 3 digits will come. Now, as we are doing cube root divided by 3 like that, 6 divided by 3 will get 2 digits. Okay, after that, we have to get 2 digits. It's option C. It's not D, option C. Okay, 125 is anyhow, okay, cube root of 125 is anyhow 5, I know. So it's 2 digits after dot means 0.05. Or you can put this as 125 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, so which is nothing but 5 into 10 power minus 2. Meaning is that, okay, instead of that, we are giving you simple shortcut. Cube root after the dot 6 digits means when you do cube root, we'll get only 2 digits. Super. So the next question. Yeah, this is easy one, my dear friends. Try everyone fast. Need everyone answers. Solve this one.
Sir, it's option A.
Okay. Yeah, we got 10, then 0.2 minus 0.5. Right, so it's 9.2 minus 0.5. You got 9.7. Option A is correct, my dear friend. Super. 9.7 we have to get. Excellent. See the next one. Cube root of 72.9, 0.4096. We have to find cube root for this. 72.9 divided by 0.4096. Sir, we have only one dot after the decimal. That's what I alerted you in one of the questions related to square root. Related to square root, I given an alert. You can multiply with the 10 numerator and denominator. Here I need 3 after dot means when you do cube root, I'll get only 1. Excellent, Aditya. So we can multiply with 10 numerator and denominator. It's 729 by 4.096. Cube root for 729 is 9. 4.096 cube root is 1.6. 16 cube is 4096. Okay, it's like 90 divided by 16 or 45 divided by 8, which is 5.625 like that, right? Option B, 5.625. Clear? Very good. Cube root. Now, similar question in square root we discussed. Now it's time for you to do it in cube root. If they didn't mention cube root of 1756216 also, okay, you can handle that, right? cube root of 175616. They given us 56. If not given also, you should be in a position to find cube root of this is 56. We already discussed, right? Now, anyhow, we have 3 digits after that cube root, means we need 1 dot. If we have 6 after that cube root, means we have 2 after the dot 2. I have 9 here, means 0.056. It's actually 6.216 or 6.116. Is it 62? No, it's
216.
yeah, 6.216. We don't get 62 anyhow. Okay, this is 5 is the maximum here, right? So 6.216 is the answer. 5.6 for this. When you do cube root, we got 0.56. Likewise, we got option C, my dear friends, altogether. Now, cube root and square root combination we have. Cube root is the last one. Internally, we have square root. Internally, you have square root. Cube root is the last. Yeah, 225 is 15, sir. This is 116. This is 13, sir. This is altogether 13 for us. Okay. Now, cube root of 15625. Ending with 5, 3 digits can be removed. You should think about all this. These 3 digits can be removed. Okay. Now, 15. 15 is between which cubes? Okay, 2 cube and 3 cube. 15 is between 2 cube and 3 cube. We have to go with the smaller one as we discussed. We should go with 2. 25. 25 cube. Is it 125? No, right? I think this is cube. At the end, we are doing cube. Cube for this, not square. That's what the problem we have. When you do square root also, they make you one of the options related to that. So it's a big deal for us.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Problem, if this is square, yes, we'll answer 125 correct. Last one squaring. But this is cube root. Okay, internally 2 square roots is there, but finally they given cube root. Okay. Purna, check once it's option B, madam. It's not 15. Now, series 26. 392 must be multiplied by what? So the answer is a perfect square. 392 must be multiplied with what? So that the answer is a perfect square. Okay, solve this one. $392 must be multiplied by what? Sometimes divide by what? Added by what? Added by what means 8. See, there may be questions, different questions. This is the first question, multiplied by. They can ask added by also. Now, yeah, first write 392 in terms of prime number power. Prime number power 2 into 2, 2 into 3 into 2 powers, 3 powers, like that. Prime number power, you should have a habit. First is it divide by 2, yes. Divide by 4, yes. Divide by 8. 8 4s are 32. 72, yes. Divide by 8 also. I can write this as 8 into 49. Means 2 cube into 7 square. So I can write this as 2 square into 7 square into 2. If one more 2 is there, it is a perfect square. First one perfect square because power is 2. Second one 7 square perfect square. Now here we have 2. We need a one more 2 here so that it becomes perfect square. A must be equal to 2. Then only it become a perfect square, 28 square. If A is 2. So what is the least number to be multiplied is 2. Now same question, what number to be added so that it become a perfect square means what should be your answer? They ask divided by also. B must be equal to 8, right? 420 square. Vamsi, perfect square, Vamsi, it's not double. Perfect square means x square added, I am asking. What minimum number to be added? Minimum value of B to satisfy it should be a perfect square is, yeah, B should be 8. So it become 20 square. B minimum is nothing but equal to 8. So that it is a perfect square. A minimum is 2 to make this as a perfect square. B minimum 8, A minimum 2. 6. Now next question. This is okay. Now next one also added. Added. Here I given that added question with slight change in that. Series 1. 953. What number to be added so that it become a perfect square? For 953, how much is to be added so that it become a perfect square? Now what you should think, your mind should think, squares near to that is what? 953 squares near to that. 30 square 900, sir. 30 square is 900. 31 square 961. 30 square is 900, 31 square is 961. So B must be equal to 8. What is the minimum value to be added so that it become a perfect square is 8. Clear everyone? Alakya Vamshi, hope you understand this one. What is the minimum number to be added? B minimum. Got it? Yeah. So the next question, you tried it? That's one now. Yes. For 8,958, what to be added so that it become a perfect square? 90 square, 8,100. 100 square is 10,000. This is between 90 and 100. This is between 90 and 100. So we should see that. 95 square. Whether given this trick, 95 square, how to do 95 into 95? 5 into 5, 25. 9 next number is 10. Ekadikena Sutra from Vedic Maths. This all I think it's not yet done for you. I'll cover soon. Okay, 95 square ending with 5 squares are 92 into 98 also. 2 into 8 is 16. 9 next number is 10. 9 into 10, 90. This is Ekadikena Sutram from Vedic Maths to do speed calculations actually. Okay, 9025, 9016 like that. But here, perfect square, right? So 95 square is 9,025. You already 89, 8,958, 42 and 25. So we got 67 to be added. 67 to be added so that it become a perfect square. A must be equal to 67 so that this result will become a perfect square. Clear? Now series 29, my dear friends. With this, we'll stop today's session. No issues. This is the last question for today's session. The largest number of 5 digits, which is a perfect square, or largest 5-digit number, which is perfect square. The largest 5-digit number, which is a perfect square, you have to calculate. Now, big worries here. Perfect square. See, 300 square. Yeah, I think that good. Without calculator, how to handle? You just think about 300 square is nothing but 90,000. Okay. 310 square, 31 square is 961, right? So we'll get this. But 320 square, 32 square is 1024. You are crossing. So your answer must be between 310 and 320 only. 310 and 320. Okay, you just see. Now, your 999, we go, don't get that 5 nines. Yes, as many of you given, option C is correct. Option C is correct, okay. But see how we got that is important, right? Now here, if you just perform that one, my dear friends, 99856, okay, 99,856. Okay, see, 315 square. I'll just, okay, giving you the idea how to go close to the without calculator, how to reach that. 315 square is 5 square means 25. Ekadikena Sutra, 1 more than 31 into 32 we can apply. 961 and 31. Yeah, 961 and 31 is 99225. This is actually 315 square. This is not largest. Now, if we try 316 square, we got this. This is 316 square, my dear friends. 315 square. 31 is 961. Again, 31 into 32 means 992 will come actually. Okay, 99,225. But that is not 315 square also. We should go 316 square. See, you are not yet done with how to do perfect squares, or maybe 99 square, how to calculate 49 square, 30 square, 35 square. There is some tricks for that. Okay, from Vedic maths that we'll discuss in the next session. But today we'll sign off, my dear friends. Hope you learned something in today's
Sir.
session. Yeah, please.
నెట్ అయిపోయిందండి, నేను వెళ్ళిపోతాను సార్.
Okay, so guys, we're done with the session. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Hope you learned something in today's session. Maybe people understand few inputs from this session. Okay, take care.